This is the proper city in Lake Erie. What's it called, that one, honey?
Dobbins Landing.
Dobbins? Dobbins Landing. Okay, that's Dobbins Landing, that one. There is an elevator of that place before you got there. And then this is the UPMC Hospital, Hospital here. And then, so it's a cloudy day today. Look at that. So this is it, Erie. What street is this, honey?
Bayfront Connector.
Bayfront Connector. It's on Mill Creek, Erie, Pennsylvania. And then now, so this is the East Bay Drive, Port Access Road, Bayfront Parkway. And then, so this for the other side, that's Port Access Bayfront. So now we're enter on the Bayfront Connector. So it's very cloudy today. It's a lot of rain a couple days ago, and then some of our plants already yellow because of the cold. So this is the Bayfront Connector in Erie, Pennsylvania. Oh, there's a Courtesy food service truck. So this is 8th Street, the other side. Here, this is 12th Street. If you will turn right, that is a 12th Street. That one. So that one is going to 12th Street in Erie, Pennsylvania. But when you go straight, that is Bayfront Connector. So when you see that one, the side, it is said Bayfront. So this is the Bayfront Connector. It's very cloudy today. other side, that's for the train. The train will pass by the area. So there's a old train over here. I'm not sure if that one's still working, but I've seen this for a very long time. So this is the train here in Bayfront Connector. Is this one still okay, honey, or no? The train?
Yeah.
But I've seen the train for a long time. It's look like it's not moving. It's always parked in there. So we're almost home right now. And then, so this is the Bayfront Connector in Erie, Pennsylvania. And then, yeah. So when you go the other side, it's 38th Street. So when you read that one, that's a Bayfront Connector. So when you come here in Erie, Pennsylvania, you will see Bayfront Connector. So the other side, that is McClelland Avenue, and then the other side is Bayfront Connector Street. Yeah. So there's a lot of car in here. Couple of car passing by. And that's a McClelland Avenue. What's going on that car? The beep beep. It's very cloudy today. Look at that. It's very cloudy today. And then we are in yeah, this one is still Bayfront Connector. Bayfront Connector, this one, this area. Yeah, that one. So we are close to Berin College right now. State College. Is that State College?
Yes.
Okay. So it's very cloudy today. Look at that cloud.